Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. In today's video, I am going to be going over my nighttime skincare routine. I'm sorry if it's a bit echoing in here as well. I'm in my bathroom filming currently, so sorry about that. This video has been highly requested for a while now, so I decided it was time to finally film it. So before I ramble any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and let's get right in to my nighttime skincare routine. Alright, so the first thing that I do in my routine, step one, is put up my hair. Obviously, because you don't want to be like putting crap all over your face and then just like, you know, have the bangs just right there. So with my skincare routine, I like using a facial brush, and the one that I use is the Radiance skincare system from Duvolle. This was actually a product that they sent to me to use and try out, and I love it so much. I find this really comparable to a Clarisonic, which is actually more expensive than this guy, so why not just get this one? But yeah, obviously you'll see me use this in the video today, but it does come with 4 brush heads and the brush itself. You get 1 cleansing brush, 1 exfoliation brush, 1 pumice stone for like your feet and stuff, and then 1 body cleansing brush. So definitely check this out. I'm going to leave it linked below. I actually have a code too that has a coupon on it for you guys, so make sure if you want to buy it, you can use that code. It's not an affiliate code. I don't get any money from it, but you do get a discount. So if you're interested, go check that out. I love this a lot, and I only put it back in the package for the sake of this video. Like, you'll be able to see like my brush head is dirty. And I actually really did start seeing a difference when I was using this and when I was not using this. Like when I was abroad, I didn't have it with me, and then when I got home, I immediately had it again, and my skin got so much better so quickly. So I'm just gonna do this, take the brush. I'm gonna take the cleansing brush first, because obviously, what do you do first in your skincare routine? Cleanse. So when I am removing my makeup, I go one of 2 ways. So most of the time I do like to use a makeup wipe, and my favorite are the Kirkland brand makeup wipes that you can get at Costco. You can get a massive box of them, about 150 wipes for $12 if you have a membership there. So I definitely recommend these. These are the strongest, best makeup wipe I've literally ever used. I used to use Neutrogena all the time, things like that. And this blows them out of the water each and every time. However, for those of you with more sensitive skin, I know that makeup wipes can be kind of harsh, so I also really like the simple cleansing wipes, the micellar cleansing wipes from Simple. But these are a really good facial wipe if you have sensitive skin. Both of these are amazing options for the makeup removal. Or sometimes I don't like using a makeup wipe, especially if I'm wearing intense makeup like body paint, things like that, just really heavy makeup. I don't like to remove with a makeup wipe. I would rather use a melting balm. So currently I'm really loving the one from Glee. It's called Green Clean from Pharmacy. It is the Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. It looks just like this. So after the makeup removal step, and as you can see right now, I'm not wearing makeup, I like to go in with a cleanser, and my favorite cleanser is from Lancome. This is the Meal and Mousse cleanser, also known as the honey cleanser. It really smells like honey. It smells really good actually. It's a foaming cleansing makeup remover as well. I use it more as a cleanser than a makeup remover. I've used it to remove my makeup before, but I prefer it as a cleanser. So that's what I'm gonna do first here. First, I'm just going to get my brush a little bit wet, because that activates the cleanser itself. I'm just going to go ahead and take about 2 pumps of the cleanser on top. As you can see there, it's super sticky, so keep that in mind. I'm just going to go ahead and start working that into the skin. As you can see here, it is starting to foam up. One thing I love about this cleanser is that it doesn't make my skin feel sticky after I've used it. It's really great like that. I apologize. My hair always gets in it, so my bad. But I just kind of work around my face, let it bubble up, get it all up in there. And I try to go for about 60 seconds working this cleanser into my skin. I really just want to make sure all of the toxins from the day are getting off of my skin, all the dirt and grime gets out of there, all that fun stuff. And I like to take, and then I like to take a hand towel like this, get it a little bit wet, and wipe off the rest that is on my face. So after I've cleansed the skin, I like to put on a little bit of a micellar water. This is one from Origins. It is the Mega Mushroom Skin Relief micellar water. This stuff is so good. It will literally remove any dirt from your face whatsoever. So I'm just gonna take a little cotton pad like this with a little bit of the micellar water on it and go ahead and remove any of the rest of the cleansing product. This is the last step in my cleansing kind of ritual that I do. So generally there's about 2 to 3 steps in it. But this will literally just get off any grime, toxin, whatever is in your skin that is not supposed to be there. Definitely recommend this product or any micellar water. The simple makeup wipes that I mentioned earlier also have a micellar water, so definitely try those. Garnier has this micellar water that's really good as well. So there's a lot of options that are more affordable than this. One last thing that I want to mention as a makeup remover type thing is when I'm wearing really heavy cut creases, I like to take off my makeup with the oil-free makeup remover, eye makeup remover from Neutrogena. It's very, very gentle on the eyes. It just kind of wipes it away. I literally will soak it on 2 cotton pads, hold it on my eye for about 20 seconds, and then rub it away. And it takes off all of the eye makeup. So definitely recommend that. Next up, we have exfoliation, which for exfoliation, my skin is a little bit sensitive. So I try not to use anything too harsh. So I like using the Refreshing Scrub Cleanser from Origins. It smells like oranges. It's amazing. I love it. It's part of their ginseng line. But this is one of my favorites just because it's a cleanser but also a scrub. So that means the scrub in it isn't as harsh as like a normal one would be. So this is what I tend to go for. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and switch brush heads to the exfoliating head, which is just a little bit more harsh than the other one that we had. So again, just gonna get it wet quick. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of the ginseng on the brush. I don't know if you can even see that. But then I'm just going to go ahead and work that into the skin the same way that I worked the cleanser into the skin. So we're just working it in again. You can see it foaming up there. But it is really working at taking away that dead skin. I do this about once to twice a week, depending on how my skin is doing that specific week. It's really important to not over exfoliate your skin because you can leave it raw and leave it sensitive to things that are in the environment. So if you exfoliate too much and then you get acne, that can be kind of a reason why. Because you're opening your pores to more dirt that doesn't belong there. And then just once again going to take the little towel and wipe off my face. If I can stop flinging it around, that'd be good. Alright, so now that that's all removed, I'm going to go ahead and apply a mask. I usually do a mask in this point of the routine, whatever I'm kind of feeling problems with at the moment. One mask that I really love is the Glam Glow Gravity Mud Mask. This is the one with the glitter in it, but I also have the regular Gravity Mud as well as Thirsty Mud. So I love the Glam Glow masks. They're great. They're more expensive. If you want something less expensive, you can go for a sheet mask. Also really great, doused in really good serum. Right now I feel like my skin is lacking a little bit of moisture, so I'm going to go ahead and use this Aqua Hydrating Mask. It looks just like this. You can get these at Target. It is a Korean brand mask. It's called Lactose. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. Have you guys seen the video of the dude applying the mask just like perfectly to his face? Like, I don't understand. Like, he literally could just do everything perfectly. It was unreal. Alright, so now that my mask has been applied, I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes and then I'll be back to finish my skincare routine. So now that I have the mask done, I'm going to go ahead and apply my serum, and this is the serum I like to use. It is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid. It is 2% hyaluronic acid plus B5, and I love this brand. It's super affordable. I'm pretty sure this is $8, but it's a super affordable hyaluronic acid, and that's literally all it is. So it's a really great for your skin. Hyaluronic acid is something that naturally occurs in your skin, so adding more of it isn't necessarily a bad thing. And when you have dry skin, you're deficient in hyaluronic acid, so the more you know. So I just go ahead and use one droplet of that, or one dropper full of it, and I go ahead and press it in to my skin and my neck like so. Once I am done with my serum, I go ahead and apply a cream. So one of the creams I like to use at nighttime is the High Potency Nightamins from Origins. As you can tell, I love Origins. Or I like to use the Revitalizing Supreme from Estee Lauder. I'm going to go ahead with the Revitalizing Supreme today because this is more of a kind of everyday normal skin type of situation. So I'm just going to use some of that, using pretty much like 2 pea-sized amounts, and then just going to rub that into the skin. So that's pretty much the end of my skincare routine, except I do want to talk about lip care really quickly. Sometimes I'll do a lip scrub, but the most important thing for me is a lip like butter type thing, which is exactly what this is. It is the Brazilian Kiss from Sol de Janeiro. It's an amazing lip butter. You miss the waxiness of a regular chapstick, which is actually something that dries out your lips that they don't tell you, which is why you keep buying chapstick over and over again, is because chapstick's actually drying out your lips. I recommend a lip butter or a lip oil. Those will help nourish your lips even more than a chapstick ever could. So this is my favorite one. It's $12 from Sephora. And it's a big boy. So that is my full skincare routine, top to bottom, finished. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I enjoy skincare. It's something that I've been getting into lately. So I wanted to share my routine with you guys. If you guys have a certain skincare routine, let me know down below what that is. I want to know all of the skincare tips. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.